Hey friends, if you encounter YouTube's error and error occurred playback ID error, then please watch this video. This issue is not with the YouTube nor is it with the browser, but yes, you can try it on a different browser. At times the browser is also clogged. This issue is with the DNS. So press the Windows key and the R key together to open the run window. Type ncpa.cpl and hit enter. This will open the network connections window. Right click on the active network connection, select properties. Double click on Internet Protocol version 4. Go to use the following DNS server address. Preferred one is, wait, I will do it again. Preferred ID is 8.8.8.8 and the alternate one is 8.8.4.4. Click on OK and then on OK once again. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.